Good morning. This is Mo. Okay, I have to clarify something from this morning, from this morning's live regarding Rodney Reed. And I'm going to have to do just a little bit more due diligence on my part. But from my perspective, it's complicated to say a person needs a new trial to be heard unless there's new evidence. So what I think is more important at this point, based on the information that we have, is that because there's been so many people associated in law enforcement associated with the case that have later went to jail because of some kind of corruption with them, that it's more important that they retest or they run DNA tests on the belt that was never tested in the first place. So that's the first thing that must be accomplished. So all of these petitions and stuff, it sends a false sense of hope when you're just asking for a retrial. You have to have something to prompt a retrial, which would be new evidence. And what it sounds like to me from all the information that I was listening to, and I'm going to go back into the court records itself, the court documents, is that they need to test the evidence to exonerate him. And they haven't been able to run tests on the evidence because the evidence hasn't been presented to them. And that's what's important in this case. So while everyone is looking for a new trial, understand that you first need new evidence. So it's more important that they try to stay this to conduct the testing on the evidence that they have. And then you can see if it warrants a new trial. So, aka, if the belt they find doesn't have DNA that is DNA for Mr. Reed, and it's DNA for Mr. Fennell, then that will answer a lot of questions, and then it would mean that you have the wrong person in custody, and you've convicted the wrong person because it was her fiance. So those are the issues that are at large here, and that's what the bigger conversation needs to be about. So yes, it's a retrial, but you're going to keep being denied if you don't have the evidence to prompt a retrial. So really what needs to be looked at, again, is that they need to test the evidence. And so all these celebrities out here who've gotten themselves involved, that's what they need to be demanding for. The ultimate retrial, yes, but the evidence needs to be tested. This is Mo. I got to go.